So yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. I'll be teaching you all how to activate your Windows 10, 11 or whatsoever Windows you want to use, or you want to also activate your Microsoft. This is how to do this right here with this simple step. So without wasting much time, let's get to the process. So what you have to do is three things. You have to be connected to your internet here. So make sure your Wi-Fi is on and you're connected to your internet, and this step actually really does work. So next up, go ahead to open your Windows PowerShell. You can just go ahead to search for this here, Windows PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell. So don't forget PowerShell. So I'm going to be opening Windows PowerShell. I'm going to be running this as administrator. So the next thing to do here is to click on yes, yes. So what you have to do here is to come over straight to this part. So I've got this code here. I'll be dropping it right there in the comment section or in my pinned comment. So copy this code here. You're going to be using this to activate your Windows. So I'm going to be copying this. And next thing I'm going to be doing is just to paste it right here on my PowerShell by clicking on Control V. Then the next thing to do is to click on your enter. So once you enter, you wait for a few seconds and wait for this to download, and you're going to get this here. So now you are actually going to be shown this, and what you have to do is to look for what you want to do. So for example, you want to get the activation, click here on 5 and everything else. So you can see everything listed here. You just have to click on the website that you actually need. For example, if it's Windows activation, click here on 1 and whatsoever. So this is going to activate your Windows. And if you find this video very important and useful, please share this, like and subscribe, and comment what issue you have here. Mine is already activated. That's the reason why I'm not activating my Windows right now. But if you have this issue or any issue related to this video, comment and I'm going to be replying to you right there in the comment section. Thank you very much.